Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Kygo here and Louis, it's Dean Lewis with Never Really Loved Me. So I like this song, it's a great song. It's very fun to play as well. And we have a couple of chords to go over. I'm gonna show you this drop, it's cool to play and you can play it forever when you learn it. So that's nice. We will start with capo here on this first fret. And we have 7 different chords to handle here. So let's look at the chords first. We have this C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have a C B chord, that is a C, but it's a B in the bass. So what you need there, you just go over like this. You switch the 3rd A to 2nd A instead. So that gives us 2nd A, open D, open G, 1st B, you can keep that one, and open E. Like that, easy. All right, next chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. A minor next. So A minor is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have F. Okay, so that's a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Okay, I will also show you this shorter F. If you wish, you can play that as well. And that will be like this. 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and 1st on E. Usually I bar this last 2 strings, B and E, on the 1st fret like this. Okay, it's up to you, and it's very convenient to have that shorter F, especially when you're playing melodies that contains F. Then you are able to work with the melody and have still the bass from F. Instead of playing this bar where you are locked with your fingers like this. So that's the reason to have 2 versions of F. Okay, enough with that talk. Let's go on with the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally we have E minor. Okay, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Yeah, so let's look at the verse. This is just about downs. We'll play downs, but we'll have certain rhythm, okay? So I'm gonna show you first how it's played and then explain it for you. So it sounds like this. One short chord progression. So that is like if you think pair of chord here. So C and CB will pair up to begin with. And that is kind of one round of this rhythm. So it goes C on the first down, and then you change the next chord, which is the CB now in this case. So 1 down C, and then the CB goes. Okay, so it's a total of 6 downs for CB. And it goes like first C, 1 down, and then CB. So on the CB part, it's down, 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 Okay, and I think I'm gonna play it through for you a couple times so you really hear. It could be hard to hear it from the actual original song, but when I play it for you, you will hear exact the timing and how it's done. So C, C, B, 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 C, B, 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 B. And so on. Okay, so that is the rhythm, and we'll look at the chords, which is like we already learned here, the C to C B, and then you play the same rhythm and you play D minor with A minor. So that means one down on D minor, and then you play the A minor part with down, 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 down. So that sounds like this. And then you repeat that, C, C, B. And on the second round now, you switch. You start with A minor and play the D minor with this longer playing. So the second round will be, the first round will be C, C, B, D minor, A minor. And the second round will be C, C, B, A minor, D minor. And that is the full verse. So I'm gonna play it through for you to understand. So let's go from start, 2 rounds. That is the first verse. Then comes a pre-chorus. In the lyrics, I said, hold on, darling. So you will play the same chord progression here, almost, except from the last chord. You will, instead of playing the D minor as the last chord here, and then the second round, you will play F. Otherwise, it's the same chord. So that means C, C, B, D minor, A minor, and then C, C, B, A minor, F. And here you will not play all the downs. You will just play C, C, B, and then you have this break instead of all these downs on the C, B chord. And you play the same with D minor, A minor, longer break, and again, C, C, B, break, and A minor, F, and break. And that is the pre-chorus. Then comes the chorus. In the lyrics, I wasted moments that I can't get back. Okay, that's how it is in life. But anyway, we'll start with the chords F, C, G, A minor. And for all these chords now, we'll go through here in the chords. It's only 1 down per chord. So, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor. Okay, so you play that for 2 rounds. And then on the third round, in the lyrics, I took too long. You're gonna play F, C, E minor, A minor, and then F and C. And that's the end of the chorus. So the second part here was F, C, E minor, A minor, F and C. And then it's a longer break. You could end with a G there. It's there, but not that prominent, so you could end with a G. But yeah, you should really stop there because it's too much. When you listen to the actual song, there's a lot of other instruments that helps and get the feeling of a G. But when you are just a single guitar, you can go with the G as well. So it's up to you. To summarize this chorus, I'm gonna play it through for you. So starting with F, it starts like this. Or G, it's up to you. All right, so that's the chorus. I hope I didn't destroy that one with my singing, just a help for you to understand how it's done. Yeah, let's go on, and we have this kind of drop here, and this is where the fun begins, in my opinion. We have this main pattern, and it has kind of some different endings to it. That's how I can explain it in a good way. So the the main part will be, I'm going to show you first. I'm going to show you just with notes. We need to have that with us. And then we can learn or see how it could be strummed in a good way to have this extra amped up feeling for this drop here. So the part that is the main part goes like this. Okay, so that is the main part. So it starts like this always through this drop, and then it has different endings. So this main will be open G, second G, first B, and then third D together with first B, and then first B again, and then third A together with first B and first B, and that's it. So alright, and then we have these different endings, depends on which chord we're playing, the D, G in this case now. So the first ending will be like this. So that is third on E string in the bass together with first on E string on the top, and then first E string top, and then open A together with open E and open E. Okay, so that would be one line, you can say. So together so far we'll play like this. Okay, then comes this main part again. We know that by now. The second ending will be this, based on G and A minor. So that is third on E in the bass together with third on B and another third B. And then you play open A together with open E and another open E. So that was the second ending, okay? So the main plus second ending will sound like this. Okay, then comes the third main part here. And the third ending will be this. So that is open E in the bass together with open B. Another open B, and then open A together with first B and another first B. And then comes the final main part again. So on this first round, because this will be played, or you will think as two rounds of this. On the first round, this is the ending here. You're just gonna play this main and end with that. And that will be a break there, a pause. And that is where he sings, I guess you never really loved me at all, okay? So that's the pause there. On the second round, you will play all this we learn now. And with this, after this final main part we just played, you will play this part. Sorry, wasn't ready there. So again. Okay, so that is third on E in the bass together with third on B. And then you play another 3 times on third on B. And then you slide up here to fifth on B. Back to third on B. And fifth on G. So that is kind of the on the second round, the final ending, okay? So it goes like this. And it goes again round and round, and that is the melody. I'm gonna play through for you. I'm gonna actually play both rounds, so you get one round with this chopped off ending here with just this pause, and then second round with this final end we just looked at. So let's go, yeah, perhaps a little bit slower than standard. We'll see. Yeah, anyway, let's start. just couldn't stop myself there. I just went off. And that is what you should do with this song. You should play it like in a strumming pattern, in my belief and in my opinion, because this is where the song needs to kind of rise up a little bit. So you have the notes there. Play it with a strumming and keep it tight. Don't do strumming all over this place, because you will not hear the actual song, the notes. So keep it tight. You know where the notes are. So keep your strumming around there. And where you need to, when you need to do like this, you need to work with full chords. That will give you more depth to it. And which are the chords? Yeah, the chords are the same as you play in the chorus. So the same chords we learn in the chorus. In the lyrics I wasted moments that I can't get back. F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, E minor, A minor, F, C, and G in the end. That's the basic for this drop. So it's exactly the same chords. Use the chords, pick up the notes, and just fly with this song. A great song here from Kygo, featuring Lewis here. Never Really Loved Me. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoy it, and play tuned.